Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of deadlines, follow-ups, or any time-sensitive tasks directly within your spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google Workspace account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and documents. Look for the specific spreadsheet where you want to set up reminders and click on it to open. This could be a project tracker, a task list, or any sheet where reminders would help you stay organized. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar, click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools that enhance your Google Sheets experience. In the Marketplace search bar, type Add Reminders. You'll see the Add Reminders extension appear in the results. Click on it to view more details about what it does and how it works. Once you're ready, click the Install button to begin adding this functionality to your spreadsheet. You'll be prompted to sign in and grant permissions. Click Continue to proceed. The next screen will ask you to check all the necessary checkboxes to allow the add-on access to your sheets and email. Go ahead and check these boxes, then click Continue again. These permissions are essential for the add-on to send reminders and interact with your spreadsheet data. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient as the system processes everything in the background. Once the installation is done, you can close the installation window. The Add Reminders panel should now appear on the right side of your screen. If it doesn't show up automatically, simply click on Extensions in the top menu again, then click on Add Reminders and select Set Up or Edit Reminders. This will bring up the panel where you can manage all your reminder settings. On the right side panel, click Add New Reminder. This opens up a form where you can customize exactly how and when you want to be reminded. It's a straightforward interface designed to make reminder setup as simple as possible. In the Send Reminders section, you can set the timing for your reminder. For example, you might choose one day before to get notified a day ahead of your deadline. This flexibility allows you to plan according to your workflow and ensures you never miss an important date. Next, you'll see options to notify yourself and others. If you want to receive the reminder personally, check the Notify Me checkbox. You can also input an email address in the Notify the Following Addresses field if you need to send reminders to specific people. This is particularly helpful when working with teams or clients. You can also check the Notify People in option and select Assignee from the dropdown. This ensures that whoever is assigned to a particular task gets notified automatically. Additionally, if you need to keep others in the loop, check the CC People in option and add their details as needed. Once you've configured all your reminder settings, click Done. The system will now process your reminders and set them up according to your specifications. Give it a moment to finalize everything, and that's it. You've successfully set up reminders in Google Sheets, making it much easier to stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.